A brief EF-1 tornado was part of the storm that damaged apartment buildings and businesses in Irving. Also snapped trees and power lines.
Fox 4's Stephen Dial is in Irving tonight with a look at what crews have begun on cleaning up. Right behind you, see a pile in the road, Stephen.
Irving police just told us that more than 300 people are displaced from the storm. And as you can see behind me, power crews are fervently working to restore power to more than 6,000 in Irving alone.
It was a war zone. I mean, look at,
That's the reaction from one Irving business owner after a severe storm rolled in early Tuesday morning.
There used to be no tree here. There's a tree right there. And that metal dumpster, that's like 400 pounds. That's across the street. I mean, it's a war zone.
An apartment on West Pioneer and North O'Connor had a partial collapse. Police say they had no reported injuries.
I happened today for no problem for everybody right here, right? I know have problem for die or whatever.
When we spoke to Jose Sosa, he was making the most out of a bad situation.
Pescado, tortillas.
Cooking on the grill for his family and friends who had no power. Sosa told us they are in bad shape because of the down power lines, but he thanks God that everyone is safe. Power was knocked out for thousands. Down the street, Irving High School and other schools were released early due to no power. Encore has been out to survey the damage as well as the National Weather Service. A secondary building for Irving police also had major roof damage.
It's going to be hard on them. And especially everything has gone up, so all the wasted groceries.
So again, at least 6,000 without power so far right now in the city of Irving. Luckily, no major injuries reported. Crews' focus tonight is to clear the roads of the power lines, but power restoration could take multiple days.